Nah, Odell for some guys na that tara some babes in these days. Nah, on our bogo jukwa manya o. One guy pass here puapu on Sunday, one certain Sunday. Immediately hana bata say by later wa ebe 9 to 10. And him at the situation, him a kone chasi we dobi mi na onu bua. Hina bata say now, all problem, hina bata by later one. So, hana bata by that time, ndi Willie is working and where ha, kwechiri ha, sache cha afukwa na be innocent na aka adi ocha bia si okay, ni yeme no na genya punishment so that next time ka retake what the wrong thing also. EMS says the guy, be a guy. EMS no wanna Kosila the now. I get you no better punishment so that by next time, can I repeat the offense also? EMS says you okay guy. I get EMS no bana. I got peg 10. Pure you can want 10. Never cause we already boy no that thing has some ban. What for you? Can get stand as he appear something. Now pick them that thing now. Nah, I see you can want no problem. Appear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You may want 13 now is where the boy has so the security say na wow. It's a back what yasemba na what for you. Man I'm back when you hear you want. Man how la fuck up. Pia me here na piam 14. It's a back what. Back when you hear you want. Man how la fuck up. 15. It's a back what. Back when you hear you want. Man how la fuck up. 16. It's a back what. Back when you hear you want. Man how la fuck up. 17. Ichari bakwa la fuck up. 18 ichari bakwa la fuck up. 19 ichari bakwa la fuck up. Akana mano ebe la taki muchitere mwanya omu ke wori fere na so mmiri ona meko de me
Top where's tomato?